Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and today is a wedding special. We're standing here in month of Copenhagen, the place to be if you're looking for a tailored suit. So what are we looking for, Mikkel?
Well, I'm getting married. Oh my god! So I need a suit that I feel comfortable in, and tailoring is the way to go.
Everything needs to be perfect. And afterwards, we're going to get your hair cut by Sean and Dre. Now it's time to get your measurements, and I'm gonna talk with one of the experts from the store, Rasmus.
So now we are doing the body scan of Mikkel, and in the scanner we have 16 cameras, which takes around 2,000 pictures a second. The scanner will give us all Mikkel's exact measurements. What we want to do is find his personal preferences as well. So from the scan I'll put Mikkel in these fitting clothes over here, where we will go through stuff like the lengths and the widths. It's very different what people want. And the first thing we are looking for in the jacket is how it fits over the chest here. Just take it a little bit closer to the collar here so it doesn't go away from you when you have a tie on. And then take a little bit of fabric here in the back. Tuck it a little bit closer, remove some of the air you have here under the shoulder. A month of Copenhagen suit is made all from scratch, so laser cut fabrics, choosing your own designs, and we do all the measurements. So it takes at least 6 weeks to make the suit. We have over 11,000 different fabrics from all of the finest mills in the world. We want to help you all along the way choosing the right fabric, the right lapels, the right buttons, to all the smallest of personalized details on the suit. Help you all along the way so you receive the best possible product. Always recommend that you come 8 to 12 weeks before you need it, because if we have to do any adjustments or something like that afterwards, we have the time to do it, so you're sure you have the perfect suit for your wedding.
Now you're ready for your wedding, my friend.
Sorry. Getting married.